All right, good morning slash afternoon, awakened traders. It is currently Tuesday, February 24th. It is 11:22. The PM, well, the AM, New York AM session is coming to an end soon. We're just gonna walk through my trades today. I took two trades. One got stopped out at break even, and the second one hit our target. We could just put the executions on. I had deleted everything that I had marked, but the stuff where I was basing my trades off of was specifically these levels. So getting into the market, right? We opened up right here, 9:30. Um, we had displacement to the downside getting real close. So before during pre-market, before market even opened, I'm bearish this week, right? As I've been saying over the last few live streams, I'm bearish. Higher time frame based. We have a lot of sell side targets that I want to see get hit, so I've been bearish. So right before market open, I was looking at everything. Before market open, we just took out London's high and yesterday Asia session high. So I was in my head like, all right, that sets up a scenario for if the market wants to go lower, it's probably just gonna do it all in one go. So it got it. So market open, boom, we started trading lower. At the same time, NQ was trading lower, YM was trading higher. That's the only thing that made me put my stop. I was very aggressive with my stop loss going to break even because after seeing how strong YM was compared to NQ and ES, right? So boom, we open, start trading lower. Right, we got close to my target, my first target, right? So we got these equal lows. So we already had relative equal lows over here, and then we created another one this morning. So after seeing that we didn't take it out, we created another low, and then we had the displacement move up. I was looking at this to be a Judas swing to trap buyers into the market, and we took out buy side, pre-market buy side. So after seeing all of that, I was taking short positions. So I bought the top of this inversion fair value gap and then added another one after we got a close below. And so it averaged out. It was probably about like right here, like in consequent encroachment, a little higher than that. And once we broke below, and we had to close below this new day opening gap, I moved my stop to break even. And as you can see, we ended up trading back, and that ended up getting hit right here. So we got stopped out at break even right here at this consequent encroachment. And then I was watching. I'm like, all right. So if it was going to go lower, that was the perfect scenario for it to do so. After taking buy side, we had a Judas swing up, getting buyers enticed to go to participate in this move. So that was a perfect scenario for it to go lower. So since it didn't do that, I was watching it closely, and then this is what I was looking for. Once we created this bearish fair value gap, I wanted to see originally, and you'll see it in a live stream as I was talking, I wanted to see what we did with this. So if we rejected this and went lower, I would have looked for entries, still targeting my sell side liquidity that I was anticipating. But once we broke above this, I'm like, all right, price wants to go higher. We did have buy side up here. So I ended up taking a long once we got this closure above. You can see right here, got long 3 contracts, and took a partial out right here, and then I ended up getting out right here at the bottom at the low of this red box is the daily fair value gap. So I got out at the low, and we did have buy side up here. However, I had something to do. I think I was just tired, honestly. I didn't want to wait through all this. I ended up getting hit, but we just had to wait through all this just to squeeze out these last few points. I didn't want to sit through that, so I ended up just taking my profits and calling it. But my bias is still bearish for the week. During the PM session, if price starts to show weakness and signs that it wants to go lower, then I will look for entries targeting these lows. But yeah, that was the morning session. Pretty quick and easy. Took a short attempt, got stopped at break even. move my stop to break even very aggressively after seeing YM be strong while NQ and ES weren't that strong. So I was like, I was very aggressive with my stops, and then ended up taking a reversal and getting about 100 points. This was the setup. Got in on the closure. I had my stop loss at this candlestick's low, and then my target was up here. So just to be, so we got about 106. It was 106 points to be exact. So this was the setup. Nice 3.3 R. 3 contracts. This is the setup, 100 points on the morning. And you can see was expecting lower prices, but ended up, this is my journal. This is my trading journal. So you can see the first trade. I took an Asia session trade last night that ended up losing. And I started off the day off negative about $90 on my top step and $141 on my apex. So I started off negative and then finished positive. So made up for this loss plus 355 and 255. So altogether it's about 141 for 450. So $600 trading. So I got profited about $600 off this trade on Apex and about 350, 355 on the Top Step account. So yeah, that was it. Pretty much. I'm just watching. We about to enter the lunch hour. I'm probably not going to touch anything until the PM session till 1:30, and if we start to go lower, I will look for entries to go lower. But other than that, I'm not doing anything in the meantime. I will be. I don't know if I'll be streaming the PM session, but I could. I'm not 100% sure yet. It just depends on what I'm doing at the time, if I feel like it or not. So yeah, that was it. 2 trades, 1 break even, 1 win, and that's the day. Well, the morning session so far. But that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you learned something. If you are trading, I wish you the best of luck. Be careful and good luck with your trading. And I will see you guys either later on in the PM session, or if not, if y'all don't see me later, then I will see you tomorrow. So on that note, good luck with Awakened Traders, and until next time.